You can hear the frequencies. It's a ringing sound. I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is the same thing they did to Pavlak over Slip and Fall at the Cosmopolitan. My family's asleep. They're ringing us bad. I'm over here at the Stratosphere Casino. This is the NSA and FBI Homeland Security program. They've been messing with my nervous system real bad and my heart. After I got poisoned, I started hearing like this. I've always had premonitions that come true. Never liked it. But it opened up real bad after I got poisoned. At work with motor oil. Fort Longyear Drilling is a corrupted company. They have programs that can pay to get out of trouble with lawsuits. They've been trying to turn me into a mass shooter for 3 years. They can buy into this program to drive a person crazy and get them under hypnosis, under the We or No Face program. Law enforcement's told to get out of trouble with lawsuits. DA's office has it. The U.S. Attorney's Office has it. The state has it. The Brain Initiative is killing everybody.